looking the part.
Yeah, Trevor, you're looking the part. We're here at Buttermere and we're off to Red Pike and Bleaberry Tarn and Scaleforce. We do look like twins apart from the hat. We've parked here in Buttermere and we're going to start now and
buttermilk
and hopefully get back.
So we'll see you soon, or just watch Northwest News in case something goes wrong.
Bye for
Cheers. Now. Fantastic.
So we're on the footpath that goes from Buttermere village across the top end of the lake to start our ascent to Scaleforce.
To Galeforce, what?
Scaleforce.
Scaleforce, great. Like that.
It's around 135 feet.
You're a bit taller than me.
And if I'm wrong, I'll put it below here. The largest waterfall in the Lake District. Excellent. So we're going there, hopefully not to fall in or fall off a rock.
We're going to go in though, aren't we? We're going to try and go in.
You'll probably find it's very, very powerful and you can't go underneath it because it'll knock you down because the force is that much.
Well, why don't you try it?
Well, Bleaberry Tarn is just up there.
Yes.
So we're aiming for going to Bleaberry Tarn and maybe have a lunch and a dip in there, depending how we get on, how fast we are and how slow I am taking pictures and stopping every 5 minutes.
Cool.
But yeah, see you in a bit. So folks, just to kind of let you know where we're going, we're starting off here. We're walking all on this path up past Crummet Water into that valley there, around there to Scaleforce Waterfall and up over the top to Bleaberry Tarn. That might be a late lunch, and then down through back to here and back to Buttermere. That's the plan. Well, here we are, we've got to the waterfall, we managed to climb up. Whee! Whee! Yay! Trevor's already been in and had a, well, not a swim, but he's been to his waist. Yeah, half a baptism.
Yeah, half a mile.
Well worth the visit. Scaleforce, Lake District, Buttermere, do it. We're now walking up the side of Scaleforce. It's quite steep. It's a red path. Just keep going. Another little waterfall on the scramble up the side of Scaleforce. Nice surprise. So we're now on the ridge, Lincoln, and there's Red Pike that we're gonna smash. Gonna have a lunch now. So here at Lincoln Ridge Fell Not quite sure. I'll put it here. But yeah, we've got a bit to go yet. There's Crummet Water, and Buttermere is just over there, and there's Red Pike that we're going to go after we finish lunch. But some awesome views. This is not the best way down, but it's the only way down to Bleaberry Tarn from the top of Red Pike. Yeah, just come down that, and more to go. That's why they call it Red Tarn. Just climb from the top of there all the way down to here. Still got loads to go. Hands are full, are just bright red, and my shorts. Still going to down there. Whew, I wouldn't like to climb that going up. Never mind coming down, that was hard enough going down. So we've just come from the top of Red Pike. Actually, it's a bit further around. Down here, Sour Milk Gill. Just got some water from there. And then we're going down this path down to Buttermere. Maybe even for a dip. To Buttermere, we've even had a swim, and now we're going for a drink. So if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and here's some of the pictures that I took today on our trip to Red Pike and Scaleforce.